Shenzhen Fumax Technology Company Limited is a leading electronics manufacturing services provider and professional PCBA manufacturer in China. We offer true on-stop turnkey solutions, supporting customers from new product introduction and prototyping through to high-volume production. Our comprehensive capabilities include PCB assembly, electronic component sourcing, plastic, metal enclosure fabrication, mold and tooling design and production, and full box build assembly. Our 100% owned factory is equipped with multiple high-speed SMT lines, through-hole soldering lines, and final assembly lines, enabling a daily output exceeding 50,000 PCB assemblies and finished products. Fumax holds ISO 9001 certification, with products fully compliant with UL, CE, FCC, and RoHS standards. Every unit undergoes 100% visual and functional testing to ensure superior quality and reliability. Beyond manufacturing, we provide complete engineering and R&D support, including PCB layout and design, electronic circuit design, mechanical engineering, OPTAR development, and product reverse engineering, enabling seamless full product development from concept to market. With significant cost advantages, reliable on-time delivery, fluent English communication, and highly customized solutions, Fumax has earned the long-term trust of customers worldwide. Our products serve diverse applications across industrial controls, smart home, IoT, wireless communication, consumer electronics, LED lighting, and many other sectors. Whether you require direct manufacturing or complete new product development, Fumax is your trusted partner in electronic design and manufacturing. We warmly welcome you to visit our Shenzhen facility. Fumax Technology, your global electronics design and manufacturing expert.